Arctic terns navigate using celestial and magnetic cues. Bar-tailed godwits fly non-stop for 9 days. Sandhill cranes use thermal currents for efficient flight. Swallows return to exact same nesting sites. Ruby-throated hummingbirds cross Gulf of Mexico non-stop. Share your favorite migration story, dove. Whooper swans fly in V formation for energy conservation. Blackbill warblers navigate using star patterns. Peregrine falcons follow coastlines during migration. Snow geese navigate using topographical landmarks. Bobolinks migrate from Canada to Argentina annually. Sooty shearwaters complete Figure 8 global migration. Red knots time migration with horseshoe crab spawning. Barn swallows navigate using Earth's magnetic field. Purple martins gather in massive pre-migration roosts.